In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat location not updating on your Snap Map. So let's just get straight into the video. There might be a couple of reasons. The first is going to be because most probably you have your ghost mode turned on. Simply go ahead and click on the settings icon right over here. As you can see, it says Snapchat wants to allow your location. It's not allowed, so click on allow. Once you've done that on the location, simply go ahead and click on always while using the app or anything that you prefer. So once you've done that, as you can see, location should be enabled here, just like that. If that is also not working, you want to simply head into your profile icon and then click on the settings tab right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on my account right over here. Click on browser setting right over here and click on clear cache. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat application. Click on settings, head to general, and then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset. Click on reset and reset network settings and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.